I'm really excited about coming back to St George to deliver some social media workshops for the businesses there. And the first workshop I'll be delivering is on how to conduct a social media audit. But what is a social media audit? Well, it's the first and probably the most important stage when developing a social media strategy. Firstly, it assesses what you're doing and works out what's working and not working. Next, it actually looks at your audience and gives you a much deeper insight in what you need to do to connect with them better. And finally, we also look at your competitors, what's working for them, what's not working for them, but most importantly, what are they not doing? Because this can be an absolutely amazing opportunity for your business. And so the workshop will be very hands-on and it will give you a much deeper insight into what's ways to go forward with your social media activities. So places are limited. I think there's about 20 spots available, and business owners who register will go into the draw to win a free social media coaching session with me. So don't dally and book today so you don't miss out, and I'll see you in St George.